Hello, good morning. Hold on, let me fix this. All right. Hello, good morning, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lashana. If you're a new subscriber, please subscribe to my YouTube channel when I upload every other week. So today's video, I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial, but this time I'm going to be putting on makeup, and then whatever outfit I'm wearing today, that is how the makeup's supposed to match, okay? So I'm going to pin my hair, and before we get started, let me pause, okay? Before we get started, okay, guys, I just want to let you guys know, let's just try our best to be nice to each other when we're on this channel. Let's show good appreciation, and let's just be nice, okay? Let's just show a lot of respect, okay? Because this is a positive channel, not a negative channel, okay? So if you guys bear with me, let's try our best to be nice, okay? All right, so let's pause and get started. All right, so honestly, what I'm gonna be starting first, I'm just gonna do a little thing on my face. Just gonna put a little red on my face. Okay, doesn't have to be too pretty. All right, now we're gonna use some of this white eyeliner, and we're gonna put it on my eye. And then the same. And same with this eye. Okay. And now we're gonna be doing this. Okay, let me pause. All right, y'all, so I put some red lipstick and then white eyeliner. Now all I'm going to do is on my face a little bit. I won't do no foundation because just a little random makeup I'll do today. But there is a video tomorrow that you guys are gonna see me with makeup tutorial. Okay, now I'm gonna pause and then I'll show you guys the outfit I have on. Okay, so let me pause for 2 minutes and let me introduce you guys the outfit. Ladies and gentlemen, I'll give to you the outfit of the day. So this is what I'm wearing: red shirt and a white pants, not pants, but like joggers, whatever they call it. Very, very nice, very, very cute. And this is how my makeup looks: white eyeliner, red lipstick, little red powder I put on my face. And yeah, this is how I look. So I wanted to, any outfit I'm wearing, I wanted to do this as a makeup tutorial. So comment down below, guys, what you guys think about this outfit, what you guys think about it so far. I actually think it's very beautiful. It's very nice. It's very interesting because you see, let me tell you guys about makeup. Let me pause and have a seat, y'all. Ladies and gentlemen, so what I did today, hold on. Okay, so what I want to talk about it is, so I did a makeup outfit tutorial. So honestly, I'm wearing red and I'm wearing white, and this is how I match my outfit and my makeup. And the tip is that, let's say if you're somebody that's into wearing any type of clothes, if you're somebody like into makeup and you know, like, okay, I'm gonna wear this outfit, you're gonna wear that outfit, the only thing you have to do, that tip, is like find that makeup that blends with the outfit. The color might not be the same, but it blends with it. And that's why when I do makeup, I'm somebody that likes to find it based on, maybe not like based on like what I'm wearing. It doesn't have to say it matches, but it's in between there. So for me, as somebody that's in putting on makeup, it's so important. Just like yesterday I did my nails. I paint them red. It's my favorite color, nails. And not everything, like I said, when it comes to makeup, not everything has to match. But because I wanted to do this as a makeup tutorial, doing a makeup outfit tutorial. So a makeup outfit tutorial. I wanted to do this like if you're somebody who's say younger or older and you wanted to learn how to match, that's one of the most important things. And of course, hopefully if I am doing makeup again, I did it in a video. Anytime if you're doing makeup, and of course everybody should do this, have primer and you will look good. And I want to do one more thing to make this makeup look cute. Let me do one more thing. One more thing I want to do is a spray. So let me pin my hair, put on the primer and spray. You don't want nothing to go in your eye, and you're all good to go. So this is called primer spray. Okay, so I always see people when they do makeup, and that's why if I ever get, this is a primer water. So anytime when you're putting on makeup, you just spray this on your face. I should have did this before, but now I put it on my face and it looks very good. Okay, but yeah guys, other than that, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below what you guys think about this this makeup outfit tutorial. I think this is a fun video. I never did this before. Let me know if you guys like this type of video. And if you're new, subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you're an old subscriber, welcome. And if you guys agree when I said in the beginning, you know, let me know what you guys think. You know, this is a channel that's positive and enjoy to just see what I put on here. Because I know, like, there are not all of you guys are negative on my channel, but a few people here and there. And you know me already, when a person's trying to be negative, you know, I'm not trying to get mad, I'm not trying to get upset, but you know, let's just try our best to be kind to one another, because you know, it's just a stranger. You don't know who you're talking to, but you're just being mean out of nowhere. And you know me already, I don't like to be mean to anybody who I don't know, okay? So let's just be happy, let's be calm, let's just show love to one another. And if you miss any of my videos, please go back, watch them, and subscribe to my YouTube channel when I upload every other week. And I'll see you guys on my next upload. And watch my video that I did today, and tomorrow you will get a vlog from me, okay? And you'll probably see this video maybe about 2 days, okay? But other than that, I'm going to end this vlog right here. If you're new, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on my social media. And I'll see you guys on my next one, okay? I love you guys. Let's be positive. Let's show love to one another. And let me know in the comments what you guys think about my video so far, okay? So I'm going to end it right here. And I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye. All right, guys. This is my makeup look. All right, that's it.